לאחרונים החביבים, לחטופים ולחטופות שבעזרת השם יחזרו, ביניהם בן דימונה. אנחנו היום רצים כולם עם דגלי ישראל, למען עם ישראל מאוחד, שכולנו נהיה ביחד. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, רוצו!
Off we go to the Dimona Desert. How are we doing, Mordechai?
Rubbish.
Keep it going. Small little mountain here in Dimona. Boker tov. Kol hakavod. What did you say, Mordechai?
Desert running.
Here we go. Dimona Desert running. There's a man that inspires me. Check it out on YouTube, link above. The most beautiful trail footage I think that has ever been taken in the land of Israel. Lavie. The Dimona drop coming up. Check that out. Kol hakavod. אחלה ריצה. בוקר אור. איזה גבר. קיבלת קצת רוח. ביקשת, קיבלת. בוקר טוב, תודה רבה לכם.
באהבה ישעיה.
בוקר טוב.
בוקר טוב, מה קורה?
בסדר, איך
איזה
אתה
כיף
מרגיש?
במדבר.
ממש.
יאללה, מתגעגע אליך.
גם אני שמח שאני פה איתך היום.
יאללה.
Good morning!
I'm running Jerusalem!
Friends, you have to come and run with Run Jerusalem in conjunction with Marathon Israel. You can run in the most beautiful city.
Absolutely. Uphill, downhill, history, 3,000 years, wars, peace, everything. Religions, archaeology.
I mean, friends, where in the world can you find a run like that? So be in touch with Run Jerusalem. Check out the link above and in the description and come and enjoy a special city, but also come and enjoy beautiful runs by Marathon Israel, right?
Yes, Marathon Israel have the best runs. We'll see you there.
There we go. We got some awesome runs coming up. Stay tuned for a run in Cyprus and then the Eilat Desert Marathon. Get your entries in, the Tiberias Marathon, and a whole lot of new special events coming your way. Enjoy, guys. Shabbat Shalom. Dimona. Peace.
As friends, family, Dimona, I'm Israel Chai.
That's the stuff. Johannes, so nice to see him out here on his second half marathon.
We got this.
Come on. Every step is a step to a marathon, an ultra marathon, and who knows what next. Enjoy it. Love that guy. The most beautiful flag in the world, in my humble opinion. I think those are the nicest smiles I've seen today. Look at that, friends.
Keep it in your video, yeah? Don't cut us off.
Anything. Well, if you come and run a Marathon Israel event, I'll add you to the video. So come and run the Eilat Desert Marathon and bring that smile with you. See you guys.
Bye.
Shabbat Shalom.
Take care.
Shabbat Shalom too.
A splash of green in the Negev desert. Beautiful. Gotta get up this little hump. dude! Woo! What a beautiful land. Ma rabu ma'asecha, ram b'chochma asita. Running in Salomon Speedcross today. It's a tough shoe, not much bounce, but great grip, especially on these downs. I'll kill you, Jordan. Come on! There we go. This man is a great downhill runner. He catches me on every single down. There we go. Sky running. Contact Yaniv. Details above. Mr. Shoshan can teach you how to run properly down these hills, up and down. Sky running, a sport I may get into. I need help. A camel caravan in the distance and a human caravan coming down.
Hi.
Hi, good morning. What a start. Check out those dromedaries in the DMR desert. בוקר טוב. אחלה ליצה ממש. כל הכבוד. הופה. Flintstones. Meet the Flintstones. Magic out here. Hey, how you doing? Enjoy. Time to get hugged by the hills. Coming up to the 25k mark. Here's an acacia tree. All of these prickly burnets. Sira kotsanit. There we go. That's not fair to take pictures on an uphill. Oh, Tomer Federci Lavie. These are the specialists in the field. If you want to see their work, click above. Here's the description. כל הכבוד. איזה נוף, כל הכבוד. מים? מים. שהכל יהיה בדברו. ברוך השם, איזה טעים. מים. Come on, psych yourself up. Talk to yourself. Never give up and get to the finish. See you there. בוקר טוב! There we go! Oh, beautiful Israel, beautiful people. Friends, if you want any information about our upcoming Marathon Israel events, please feel free to be in touch. You can either contact me or Ofer Pradan. Marathon Israel events coming your way. Yes! I got a medal! I'm the winner!
ותודה באמת לכל הצוות.
Dudu, check him out in the description.
See you in Jerusalem?
Amen.
You come to the Israel?
תבואת כל החולים.
I'll see you in Jerusalem.
ושבעזרת השם כל המלחמות ייגמרו ונשמח ונרוץ.
Here I am with my man, Mordechai Sofer. Tell me, as a fitness trainer, what do you do to prepare for something like this?
במקום השני היה אופיר, של הדעת.
And you gotta just push to the wind. You gotta just keep not think too much and just keep going.
There we go.
It's mental.
And don't miss those turns.
Exactly.
וראשונה כללית,
Shabbat shalom, guys.
5
Peace out.
קילומטרים אנשים,
Subscribe to the channel and
אופרי
see us
גודמן.
at the next one, which is probably in Cyprus. Marathon Israel, taking you places. We run everywhere.
הופה, הופה.